Hello, my dear friend. Welcome to our YouTube channel. I hope you will be fine. If you are new on my YouTube channel, then subscribe our YouTube channel and press the bell icon for latest update. Guys, this amazing project. In this video, I am going to share each and everything about this project. So guys, before we waste our time, I am starting the video. Requiza empowering generational wealth and global impact. Requiza is redefining wealth building with innovation, sustainability, and real-world impact. RZX is live rewarding early adopters while RZA launched February 28, setting the stage for long-term growth. And next you can scroll down and see this get in early, build wealth, make an impact. So guys, you can buy now. You can click here and see this page is loading. So guys, you can see that you can buy Requiza coin in desk screener. You can see this desk screener page is open. You can check here Requiza coin price chart. You can see this price up and down. You can get huge profit now. So guys, you can buy now. You can see this price, market cap amount $35k, liquidity $24k, buys 19, sales 15. Buy volume $1.5k, sale volume $728, buyers 12, sellers 12. And next you can scroll down and see this. If you want to buy, then you can click here, enter your loan amount. For example, I enter loan amount 0.1, then you can receive Requiza coin now. So first of all, you can connect your wallet. You can click here and connect wallet now. Then you can buy now. If you want to sell, then you can click here and enter your Requiza coin amount. For example, I enter Requiza coin amount 1000, then you can receive Solana now. You can see that you can minimum sale amount is 0.001 Solana. You can check here and next you can see this all transaction details. You can see this and next back to the home page and see this more detail about this project Requiza coin. And next you can scroll down and see these core features of Requiza ecosystem. Requiza is built for long-term growth, real-world impact, and financial security. Every element of the ecosystem is designed to drive wealth building while fostering global change. And next you can check here sustainable tokenomics, a differential model with reflections ensures holders benefit from scarcity driven value appreciation. So guys, you can buy RZX now. You can click here and see this where I discuss this how to buy RZX on desk screener. And next back to the home page and see this more detail. You can check here Requiza real world impact. Every transaction spot clean water, housing, and sustainability projects, turning crypto wealth into meaningful change. And next you can scroll down and see this security and transparency. Built on Solana for speed, low fees, and blockchain-backed security, ensuring seamless transaction and reliability. Regulate AI wealth management, an intelligent tracking system to optimize rewards, stacking, and portfolio performance, giving user complete financial control. So guys, you can buy RZX now. And next guys, you can see this the problem we solve. Limited access to wealth building tools, fragmented financial systems, traditional finance and money blockchain projects fails to provide sustainable wealth building opportunities. Requiza is changing that by addressing two key issues. So guys, you can buy RZX now and next guys, you can check here how it all comes together. Requiza unites token holders, AI-driven tools, and impactful charity initiatives into a seamless ecosystem where every transaction fuels wealth building and global change. Requiza X, Recollector, Requiza, you can check here. And next guy, you can see this all it comes together now. You can check here 0 plus country spotted 23k plus in assets on platform. You can see this and next guy, you can check here Requiza roadmap charting the path to success. Requiza is built for long-term wealth creation, impact, and sustainability. Our roadmap is structured around clear milestones that guide the evolution of the ecosystem from launch to mass adoption. So guys, you can check here roadmap phase 1, RZX live, RZA launching February 28, launching RZA on Solana, begin RZX rewards, community growth. Phase 2, Recollect AI beta launch, strategic partnerships, RZX governance integration, RZA payment utility. Phase 3, major exchange listing, global charity expansion, advanced wealth tools, institutional partnerships. Phase 4 mass adoption strategy measures RZA bird event, RZA integration in Web3 and Metaverse. And next you can see this phase 1 sustainable growth. You can see this future charity model, decentralized governance, RZX Live, RZA launches, February 28. Secure your place in the future of wealth building. And next guys, you can download this white paper now. So guys, you can click this and see this white paper loading. So guys, you can check here Riquiza Coin white paper PDF is almost open now. Guys, you can see this Riquiza Coin white paper. You can scroll down and see this history empowering generational wealth and global impact. You can check here all details, table of contents. You can see this executed summary. And next you can check here introduction, vision, mission. You can check here all detail, core token, RZA and RZX. You can check here key future detail. You can see the transaction taxes, buy tax 2%, sale tax 3%, 1.5% reflection, 1.5% burn. Riquiza the gateway tokens, primary rule. You can check here key feature, reward program, dual holding bonuses. Number 3, time limited utility, scarcity and simplicity. And next you can check your strategic purpose, how RZA and RZX work together. You can check here all detail. You can read carefully all detail, total supply and tokenomics. You can check here total supply 100 million RZA, initial circulating supply 20 million RZA at launch. You can see this and next you can check here allocation breakdown. You can see this all detail. You can check here and next back to the home page and see this more detail about this project Riquiza Coin. Next you can see this what our users say about Riquiza. Our roadmap is designed with clear milestones to achieve financial empowerment, ecosystem growth and global impact. You can see this learning. You can check here sports, global water and housing project through Riquiza charity travel model, sport, global water and housing. You can check here. And next you can see this learn Riquiza. Riquiza is built on a foundation of sustainable tokenomics, real-world impact and long-term wealth creations. Our models ensure stability, security and ongoing rewards for holders. You can check here pictures about Riquiza. You can see this sustainable tokenomics, transparent and accurate and secure smart wealth strategies. You can check here you can see this and next you can check here frequently asked question, what is Riquiza? Is Riquiza safe? Has the smart contract been edited? How can I see how many tokens I have purchased? So guys, you can click this and see this all answer. You can check here. You can see this all solutions. And next guys, you can see the join a thriving community. You can check here Telegram community. You can see this $94,985 engagement rate 98%, total members 99,500 plus. You can see this Twitter followers 75,544 and next guy you can scroll down and see this guy. You can join this project on following social media platform: Telegram, Facebook, Twitter, TikTok, Instagram. So we go to this project official Twitter page. So guys, you can see this Riquiza Coin official Twitter page is open. You can follow this and get information. You can scroll down and see this all post official announcement detail. You can check here. You can like and comment this post and retweet this post. You can check here important announcement. And next we back to the home page and see this more detail about this project. Next we go to this project Telegram group chat community. So guys, you can click here and see this page is loading. So guys, you can see this page is open. If you have Telegram, then you can contact Riquiza community. So guys, you can click this and then you can contact Riquiza community on Telegram. And next we back to the home page and next guys, you can see this. You can subscribe to our newsletter to get more free design resources. So guys, you can enter your email, then you can subscribe now. You can contact us at general inquiries, email info@riquizacoin.com. You can see this development and partnerships, development@riquizacoin.com. You can see this. So guys, this website video is finished. If you like my video, then don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel and press the bell icon for latest update.